In this video, I'll show you how to use forms to auto-send client contracts, saving you time and making your business processes more efficient. Stick around because I'll not only walk you through the steps, but I'll also tell you how you can start using this software with an exclusive free trial available only to viewers of this channel. So if you're tired of manually sending contracts to clients every time they fill out a form, you're in the right place. Using forms to auto-send contracts can automate the entire process, making your workflow smoother and reducing human error. Here's how you can do it. First, choose the right software. While there are several options out there, the software we'll be using today is reliable and integrates well with forms. It allows you to automatically send contracts once the form is submitted, keeping everything professional and timely. The first step is setting up your contract template in the software. Start by creating a customizable template that fits your needs. You want to make sure it's easy to adjust, like adding client names, dates, and other details without redoing the whole contract. Our software provides easy drag and drop tools for adding placeholders that get filled in with the form responses. Next, link your form to the software. Most software has a simple integration with popular form builders like Google Forms or Typeform. You'll want to make sure that the software pulls the relevant data from the form to personalize the contract. For example, when a client fills out their name and email, that info gets auto-inserted into the contract, so you don't need to fill it out manually. After linking the form to your contract template, set up the automation to send the contract. Once your form is submitted, you'll create an automated workflow that triggers the contract to be sent directly to the client's email. You can choose when the contract is sent, immediately after submission or after a review period. This is key in ensuring everything runs smoothly without you needing to press send each time. To make sure the contract is legally binding, you can even integrate e-signature functionality. Most modern software will allow your clients to sign directly within the email or on a secured web page, which can be a game changer for keeping everything digital and legally compliant. Now, before we move on, remember, I've used many of the top tools in this space, and I found this one to be the most effective, user-friendly, and customizable. And if you want to follow along, be sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below, available only to viewers of this channel. Let's quickly review the main steps. First, create your contract template in the software. Second, link your form to the software for seamless data integration. Then, set up an automation to send the contract once the form is submitted, and consider adding e-signature functionality for legal compliance. The key takeaway here is that by using forms to auto-send client contracts, you're saving time, reducing errors, and making your business more efficient. The software we covered does all of this with ease, and by following the steps I just shared, you'll streamline your process in no time. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's only available for viewers of this channel. Thanks for watching.